Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use pre-workout for running. Pre-workout can be a great tool to boost your energy and focus, especially for longer or more intense runs. It's important to understand the common ingredients, such as caffeine and beta-alanine, and how they might affect you. Always consider your personal tolerance and what you aim to achieve with your running. For best results, consume your pre-workout about 30 to 60 minutes before you start running. This allows enough time for the ingredients to take effect. When you're first trying a new product, always start with a half dose to see how your body reacts. Also, be mindful of the timing. Taking it too late in the day could interfere with your sleep. Proper hydration is crucial when using pre-workout, so drink plenty of water throughout your day. Pairing your pre-workout with a small, easily digestible snack, like a banana or a piece of toast, can help prevent stomach upset and provide sustained energy. Always pay attention to how your body feels and adjust your intake accordingly. While generally safe, some people might experience side effects like jitters, an upset stomach, or an increased heart rate. If you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional before incorporating pre-workout into your routine. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help keep your home spotless.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.